Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. So today we have the Bang Olufsen H4 second generation overhead headphones. So on the front of the box, as we can see, the headphones right on the front, also with superior sound, a crafted expression and lasting comfort, and also obviously they connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. So quickly, let's have a look around this box. So on the right hand side, we have the beauty of sound in minimalistic expression, a timeless experience made to last. On the back, just a couple of points measured out. So we've got signature sound, durable materials made for comfort, and up to 19 hours of playtime. Left hand side, not a lot on there. And just on the bottom, a couple of bits of information, but Qualcomm low latency and Google Assistant. So without further ado, let's get into the box. And obviously we're greeted straight away by the headphones in this nice soft kind of molded placement for them. Let's pull them out. So on the right ear cup, as you can see, we have most of the bits. We've got the USB-C just there, micro 3.5mm headphone jack, the on and off and USB button just there, and the controls for the headset just next to that. So this is obviously a plasticky polymer kind of material which these are made of. As much as they look really nice and minimalistic, if you look a bit closer, they also look a little bit on the cheaper side. And you have your assistant button over on this side. So the headband is material under here with a nice soft kind of almost memory foam kind of material, but it's not that thick, and you've got this metal band going all the way around inside this leather covering on top just there. The cups, as you can see, they're pretty easy to squash in. There's not a lot to them. They feel nice, like the leather feels nice, but ultimately I don't think you'd want to be wearing them for very long. So we'll just go over a couple of specs while we just show these here. So these headphones offer passive noise cancellation. They have electro-dynamic drivers of 40mm either side. There's a 600 milliamp battery that should power it for 19 hours. It supports Bluetooth 4.2. It's got two microphones, I'm assuming one on either side, and you can connect two devices at once. So before we carry on, let's just have a quick look at the headband and how far they can come out. So that's a good extra inch, I'd say, from just there. And obviously the other side, maybe just over. And obviously your wire just comes out with that, just as you pull it in and out. There's no clicking, it's just relying on the pressure of that band being held inside there. So let's carry on and see what else you get in this box. This whole molded material cover is really nice. If only they turned it into some kind of travel case. Obviously you could use it to travel if you wanted to. Silica pouch. Let's see what we get in here. So this is your USB-C to USB-A and your double-ended 3.5mm jacks. Lovely. And I believe that's 1.2 meters. And in this one you get your quick start guide, which is just there. There we go. And that is pretty much it. That is the H4 overhead headphones by Bang & Olufsen. So, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Now, here at Geek Panda Tech, we love to share tech, and so today we're going to be giving away these headphones that we've just unboxed. So, if you would like to enter, all you need to do, 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and this video, and send me an email with your YouTube username, and that's to geekpandatech@gmail.com. Now, for a second entry into the draw, there will also be a Facebook post link in the description, and all you need to do is go and share that on your Facebook, and if you do that, also include your Facebook username in the email. So that's it, and then a winner will be picked and I will get these out to you. This is a UK draw only at the moment. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Thank you.